In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a course in Pages. We're going to walk through the basic process of building a course page, organizing the structure of your content, adding lesson materials, and setting up pricing so only the right people can access it. This is a great workflow if you want to turn your knowledge into a clean, professional learning experience. To get started, open Pages in your platform dashboard. Once you're there, click the plus icon to create something new. From the available options, select Course. This creates the foundation for your course and gives you access to course-specific features designed for lessons, chapters, and protected content. Starting from the course option is important because it automatically sets things up in a way that's much more organized than using a regular page. After your course is created, click Course Outline. This is where you'll organize the structure of the course into chapters and lesson pages. Think of this area as the roadmap for your students. Chapters help group related topics together, while lesson pages let you break the material into smaller, easier to follow sections. A clear outline makes the course feel more professional and helps learners move through the content without confusion. As you build this out, try to arrange the material in a logical order, so each lesson builds naturally on the one before it. Next, edit each individual lesson to add the actual learning materials. Inside a lesson page, you can embed instructional video files so students can watch the content directly within the course. This makes the experience much smoother since they won't need to leave the page to access the training. You can also add downloadable materials, which is useful for worksheets, guides, templates, or any supporting resources that help reinforce the lesson. As you edit, make sure each lesson contains only the materials relevant to that topic, so everything stays clean and easy to navigate. Once your content is in place, set up a paywall or choose a digital product pricing option to restrict access. This step is what turns your course into a protected offer. By enabling pricing and access controls, you can make sure only paying customers or approved users are able to view the course materials. Take a moment to review the settings